Good morning, Los Altos and Los Altos Hills neighbors. I'm Zachary Smith, founder of Smith's Pest Management, and I'm getting a lot of calls right now for ground squirrels. Ground squirrels, gophers, and moles are a really big issue in the Los Altos Hills neighborhoods. We have all the ingredients necessary for a booming rodent population. One of the things that I really want to point out is just how expensive doing nothing about a ground squirrel problem can be. I'm walking a property right now where the ground squirrels are burrowing under the concrete and the fencing and the retaining walls, and we're getting collapse of these structures. These are very expensive structures to repair and replace. When they start to get underneath these steps, when they start to get into these beds and they start to burrow out all this soil and base rock, what you're going to have is you're going to have collapse of the paddock. So if you have horse property and you've got ground squirrels, it's only going to get worse and worse unless you come up with a good solution. So Smith's is really big on coming up with good solutions to very difficult rodent problems. Whether it's gophers or ground squirrels, we like to look at solutions that are going to last. They're smart. They're going to be long-term solutions to your problem whenever possible, because these rodents, they reproduce rapidly and they continue to migrate in, right? They're just going to come to you, especially your property has attractive food, and there's really no predators for most of these rodent problems are just running unmitigated in our environment here. I highly recommend that if you're going to take care of your own gophers or ground squirrels or rats, those three are pretty much, ubiquitous challenges in Los Altos Hills area, is that you want to arm yourself with knowledge. You got to understand that bait is gone. Most part bait is gone, and that's fine, but trapping is not that straightforward with rodents. They're very cunning. They're very observant. They're not just big dumb animals that run right into a trap. Most of the time, they're going to be skeptical of what you're doing. They're going to be alarmed by the changes you've made. They're not going to recognize what you've put out as a thing they want to go to. And so you have to really lure them in and get them accustomed to your trapping. So pre-baiting and letting the rodents feed off of your traps is very key. Whether it's rats or ground squirrels, you want to get them to feed off of your traps and then set the traps, okay? Now, other options that can work pretty well are exclusion. Not for gophers, but for rats and ground squirrels, finding the way they get in and blocking it up. It's not putting rocks in the holes. Like with ground squirrels, putting rocks in the holes is a waste of time. You need to use an exclusion method that's going to screen off the foundation of your building. Any open holes need to be screened off with heavy wire, but also because ground squirrels will just keep digging under your screening, you need to do what is called down and out exclusion. You need to go down, a few inches under the soil and then out several feet and then bury that. The ground squirrels can't see what you've done, and when they try to dig under your foundation, they keep hitting that corner you've created. If you give ground squirrels time, they will find a weakness in your exclusion. I would say the same for rats. As far as wire goes with gophers, I do recommend gopher baskets around your plants. Please get something stainless steel, something that's really well made, because a lot of these gopher products rust away very quickly if they're not stainless or super well galvanized. But I do not recommend gopher wire for lawns. For the most part, the issue is similar to the ground squirrel. Gophers will find a weakness, and once they find a weakness, they get in and underneath that wire, and then it's very hard to get them out because you can't get in through the wire. Oftentimes we're forced to cut the wire under the lawns to get to the gophers that got through. I recommend don't gopher wire your lawns, but do gopher wire your plants. For your lawns, just learn to trap. And if you don't want to deal with anything that I just talked about, whether it's Los Altos rats, Los Altos Hills ground squirrels, or gophers and moles around the general Santa Clara Valley, fine, call a pro. It wouldn't hurt my feelings if you called Smith's. We've been handling this for almost 20 years. We guarantee results. We don't start anything we can't finish, and we'll be with you through thick and thin. Actually, a little bit more peace of mind to know that you can just turn this over to somebody, even if you are handy with traps. Anyway, if you have any questions or want to learn more about what a pro can do or what you can do, reach out, because Smith's Pest Management, your Los Altos rodent problems stop here.